In this video, I am going to demo an AI chatbot that can analyze and extract the document that is uploaded. This is the PDF file that was uploaded to the AI chatbot. I am going to test different chunk size and overlap. I've started the index documents. This will take a few seconds. The index has been completed. What does the chunk size and the overlap do? Overlap. Determine how your text is broken down into smaller pieces. Chunk size reduces the amount of giant text into a smaller size for the AI to interpret. I asked Chatbot, what is the underlying fee? The chatbot was able to accurately answer the question I asked. So now let's compare the answer manually. So now I am going to ask the bot another question. The bot was able to accurately answer the question. I am going back to the document to compare if the answer is correct. Now I am going to change the chunk size again to see if that would help with the information that the AI interprets. I am changing the chunk size, 520, and overlap, 75. I am changing the chunk size, 520, and overlap, 75. The answer to the question was accurate. Let's go to the document, and it shows that the answer from the AI is the answer in the document. There are not much noise that the AI makes. Next, I am going to test the flood certification fee. The AI chatbot is able to accurately interpret the information. In this document, the flood certification is $20. So now I am going to reset the default setting for the chunking size and overlapping. Now I am testing a vague question. Notice the time it takes to process the information. Now looking at the document, you can see how there is no text information provided. I've tested several questions to see how the AI chatbot answer the question based on the uploaded document. Most of the AI chatbot has some flaws and discrepancies. After testing, I found that the best chunk and the overlapping size didn't really do much to how the AI interpret the information. I was able to use the document to test how accurate the AI was after extracting the text in the backend using Python. The AI is faster when the chunk size is lower, with the overlapping is over 100.